Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Wanted to share a couple of things with you today. I got an email recently from a few students who have been going to a lot of these real estate sales events, and they come back and they'll email me and say, Kartik, I went to such and such real estate retreat or such and such a summit, and I'm thinking about signing up for monthly real estate coaching. Do you think that I should join a real estate coaching company? Now, whether or not you should join a coaching company really is up to you. There are a lot of great benefits to joining a coaching company or any of these other companies out there that put on these weekly coaching calls or monthly coaching calls. One benefit is it helps to keep you accountable. So you have a coach that's going to get on the phone with you at least, one or two or three or four times a month and kind of remind you of your big why and why you're, reaching to sell more real estate and make more money, and you'll have somebody that you're accountable to, number one. And that's a good thing because the real estate business can be, frankly, a very lonely business. That is, you don't really have a traditional boss. You don't really have a coworker that sits next to you, 40 hours a week that you can, have some sort of connection with. I mean, everyone's kind of in and out of the office as they please. So that personal connection is a little harder to make in our real estate business just because everyone's kind of on our own schedule. So having somebody to hold you accountable is useful. Sorry, hang on one second, it's my phone. And a lot of people say, well, isn't that the broker's job? Shouldn't the broker hold me accountable? Shouldn't the broker make sure that I'm staying on task? Remember, most real estate offices these days literally have like 200, 300, 400 real estate agents working there. One man or one woman cannot possibly hold 400 people accountable. So coaching programs do give you a heightened sense of accountability, number one. The second benefit to a coaching program is it gives you some structure with regard to scripts and dialogue. So a lot of these companies have scripts that you have access to. And a lot of the stuff I know is free, you can find it online, but getting role play partners and role playing with your coach, it gives you a way to kind of make sure that you're saying the right thing at the right time to help get you one step closer to the sale. So that's a good thing for the coaching companies, is that they provide a lot of scripts and tools and this sort of thing. The third benefit to joining a coaching company is that a lot of the time, if you're in the higher level coaching, a lot of the big events you'll get for free or at a deep discount. So, Mike Ferry has a superstar retreat in July. Our whole office will be going to that. It'll be a lot of fun. But you'll get discounts to some of those things. Now, the flip side to a lot of these coaching programs, often they make you sign long-term contracts. So oftentimes you'll have to commit to a 6-month or a 12-month contract where, even if you can't afford it, after 6 or 7 months, your credit card's still going to get billed. And a lot of these companies have been known to enforce their contracts with a high degree of enthusiasm, I'll say, right? So a lot of the time they'll make you stick to the contract. That's number one. Number two, a lot of criticism that's leveled against these companies is that they're taught by people that don't really sell real estate. A lot of these coaches and people that are on stage doing these big sales presentations don't sell real estate full time. They haven't sold real estate. A lot of the time, if you research some of these people, they've never sold real estate. So that's a criticism that you should take into consideration before you join any of these coaching companies. A lot of these guys don't sell real estate currently and maybe haven't sold real estate in a long time. So if you are going to join a coaching company, you want to make sure that you're being coached by someone that they don't have to be in the trenches now, but know that they've sold real estate in the past and that they have some formula for success. I would also see if you could talk to other coaching clients of these companies and say, hey, can I talk to a couple people that are in your program so I can ask them questions about what their experience has been like working with your company. And finally, I would ask about the retention rates for these coaching companies. So, hey, if somebody signs up in January and they sign for a 1-year contract, what percentage of these people are re-signing up, year after year after year, staying with the coaching program? Because if it's a revolving door, there might not be as much value as you think. So just wanted to give you some pros and cons about some of these coaching companies so you can make the most informed decision possible as to whether real estate coaching is right for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd love to get to know you on Instagram. We'll catch you on the next video. If you're interested in taking real estate classes, our number's in the description box. Would love to kind of get you going, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.